Hi, good morning children. This is your Lata ma'am. Welcome to our Nirbhaya Digital Learning class. Hi, hello, how are you kids? I hope you all are safe. Yes, before going to the topic, I will say you some of exercise. Be ready students? Okay, everyone sit in your place. Sit in your place. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Breathe in. Breathe out. 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 Rub your hands. Put on your eyes. And slowly open your eyes. Now clap your hands. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Clap. Stop. Clap. Stop. Clap. Stop. Clap. Stop. Clap. Stop. Coming to the point, children. Children, everyone open your workbook, ma. Application part as chapter number 1, shapes, revision. See application part. Complete the following table. What year they given? They given 20 rupees note. What is the shape of 20 rupees note? Tell me. See, this is 20 rupees note. What is the shape of 20 rupees note? A rectangle. Yes. How many vertices it has? See. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 vertices. Yes. How many diagonals we can make in this note? Tell me. See. From ear to ear. Opposite vertices. How many? We can make 2. 2 diagonals. Understood, children? 2 diagonals. See? How many vertices it has? 4 vertices. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many diagonals we can make? 2 diagonals. See? One more is there. What is that? They given like this. Biscuit. Yes. See, how many vertices it has? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 vertices. How many diagonals you can make? 1, 2. Yes, 2 diagonals. Understood, children? Again, one more they given. See, like this. See, in this, how many vertices has? See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 vertices. Yes. How many diagonals you can make? See. From ear to ear, 1 diagonal. Ear to ear, 1 diagonal. Yes. 1, 2. Ear to ear, 1. Ear to ear, 1. See. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ear to ear, 1. 5 diagonals we can make. Yes. In this figure, how many diagonals we can make? We can make 5 diagonals. How? Ear to ear. 1, ear to ear, ear to ear, ear to ear, ear to ear. Understood, children? See, again one more they given as kite. See, they given like this. Yes. In this kite, how many vertices is there? 1, 2, 3, 4 vertices. Yes. How many diagonals is there? 1, 2. 2 diagonals. Understood, children? What they are given? They given the figures. In that figures, you should write the vertices. See, here how many? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 vertices. 2 diagonals. 5 vertices, 5 diagonals, 4 vertices, 2 diagonals, like that. Understood? And next, long answer question. What is that long answer question? Tell me. Look at the picture given and answer the following question. They given the picture as, what is this? This is board. As like this they given the picture as, in this object, see what is the shape of this object? What is the shape of this object? Tell me. See, this is as same this shape only they given as, what is this? This is board. As this is board. As what is the shape of this? Tell me. First one question answer. Rectangle. What is this shape? Rectangle. Understood, children? What is this shape? Rectangle. See, opposite sides are equal. Understood? Next, how many sides? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many sides it has? 4 sides. How many sides it has? 4 sides. As children. Second one. How many sides it has? They are. How many sides does it have? They are asking. As how many sides? 1, 2, 3, 4. As 4 sides. How many diagonals does it have? See, ear to ear, 1 diagonal. As ear to ear, 1 diagonal. How many diagonals? 2 diagonals. Understood, children? How many diagonals we can make? 2 diagonals we can make. How many vertices? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many vertices? 4 vertices. How many vertices it? See how many vertices it have? 4 vertices. Understood, children? See the given board. In this board, how many vertices it has? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 vertices. How many sides? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sides. How many diagonals? Opposite vertices is S. How many? 1, 2. 2 diagonals. Understood, children? See, like that only they given one more shape as, what is the shape? See, you will eat as, what is that? Triangles. You will eat na? Mad angles. Mad angles you will eat or not? See, what is this? This is one type of chips they given as, what is that shape? That chips. Triangle shape. As, see, what is the shape of the given picture? What is the shape of given picture? Triangle. Triangle. As, triangle. As, find the name of sides. How many sides? 1, 2, 3. How many sides, ma? 1, 2, 3. 3 sides. Yes. How many diagonals? No diagonals. Because opposite vertices not there. Yes. That's why no diagonals. See vertices. See 1, 2, 3 vertices. We should name A, B, C. How many vertices it has? 3 vertices. A, B, C. Understood, children? How many vertices? 3 vertices. Understood? How many sides it has? 3 sides. What are they? AB, AC, BC. As like this. Understood, children? Any figure, you should see that figure properly and you should read the question and you should do the answer. Understood? See, one more. Name a 3D, three-dimensional figures that has the following. See, is one circular base. One circular base means what? What is this? What is this circular base means? What is this figure? Tell me. This is circular base, but two circular bases. S. See, what is this? This is one circular base. S. First one. What is this? Two circular base means what is this? This is cylinder. S. This is cone. What they are asking? What they are asking? A circular base. A circular base. See? A circular base. What is this? Cone. What is this? Cone. Should write cone. Understood, children? Cone and cylinder. See, cone and cylinder has circular base. Understood? A rectangular base. Rectangular base. See, what is this? It has rectangular base. See, what is this? Cuboid. See, first one, cone and cylinder. Second one, what is that? Cuboid. Understood, children? What they are asking? Maybe people are understanding as question, read properly and you should write the answer, ma. Children, see, look at the figure and answer the following question. You should see the figure first. See, what is this figure they given? See, they given like this figure. S, G, F, C, D, A, B, H, E, S. They given like this. S. What is the shape? What is the shape? What is the shape of this? Tell me. If they given like this, what is this shape? Cuboid. What is the shape? The shape of a cuboid. What is the shape? Cuboid. S, cuboid shape. See, name the vertices. You should name the vertices. A, B, C, D, H, E, F, G, S. What is that? Name the vertices. The vertices are, what is that? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Understood? How many vertices? 8 vertices. S. Now, second one. Okay. Third one. What is that? Name the edges. You should write the edges. What is meant by edges? Edges or sides both are equal. Understood, children? Edges or sides are equal. Same. Edge also, sides also equal. Edges. The edges are AB, K, AD, ADR, AD, DC, BC, AH, HE, BE, EF, CF, GF, GD, GH, okay, see how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. How many sides? 12 sides. Yes? Now, what are they? No, no. AB, AD, DC, BC, AH, HE, BE, EF, CF, GF, GD, GH. Understood, children? These are sides or edges. Okay. Now, name the faces. Faces you should name. Yes. How many faces? See. The faces are A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D. One face. A, H, E, B. A, H, E, B, S. Next. A, H, D, G. S. Next. G, F, D, C. One more. F, C, E, B. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One more. G, F, H, E. G, F, H, E. How many faces came? 6 faces. S. How many faces? 6 faces. Okay. See. Like this you should write. Understood, children? Did you understood what I am saying? See. A, B, C, D. One face. D, G, A, H. Another face. G, F, D, C. One more face. G, H, F, E. One more face. C, F, E, B. One more face. Understood, children? What I am saying? These are faces. Understood? If they given cuboid also you can write. Otherwise cube if they given you can write. But you should read the question properly and you should write. Understood? This is your revision. You should practice properly. Tomorrow I will do patterns revision. Understood, children? Patterns are easy. Okay.